Okay, this is a continuation of the 140 that's being put together. What we have here before us is a 0-0 hardened, that is nitrided hardened crankshaft, 0-0. You will notice that the oil galleys have been chamfered for better oiling. The crank is in beautiful condition. It is 0 rod, 0 main, an extremely hard crank to find. And I'm going to see if we can't get close enough, and I don't know if we can, to actually get the infinity symbol. It's there at the bottom. That is a hardened crank, and it is going into these cases. We're about ready to do the initial assembly with our Plastigauge to see where we are as far as clearance.